Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later works, specifically the Pay Later in 30 Days option. So, let's get into it. Klarna's Pay Later in 30 Days is a feature that lets you buy something now and pay for it up to 30 days later, with no interest and no extra fees. Here's how it works. Once you make a purchase and your order is confirmed, Klarna will send you an email within 2 days with payment instructions. From that point, you'll have 30 full days to try out your purchase. If you're happy with the order, just go ahead and pay when you're ready, anytime within that 30-day window. You can make the payment easily through the Klarna app or by logging in at Klarna.com. Both credit and debit cards are accepted. Now, who can use this? You need to be at least 18 years old, and Klarna will do a quick check based on your order amount, your past Klarna history, and other factors. But don't worry, it won't affect your credit score. To increase your chances of getting approved, make sure to use your real full name, your correct billing address, and ship to that same address. And just so you know, approval is order by order, so even if Klarna approved you before, it doesn't guarantee approval every time. But if your request is denied once, that doesn't mean it's always going to be that way in the future. And that's it. Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later makes it super easy to shop smarter and pay on your terms. If this video helped you, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.